welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 23rd to the 27th of June 2025 on Monday. Tabs realizes he has to make a deal with the devil or risk devastating loss. Dintley's dreams are shattered when Nhloso's proposal reveals a reality far from her expectations on Tuesday. Talita clearly hasn't learned her lesson as she starts coaching her devious son once more. Mandlomo's threat to have Nhloso packing his bags on Wednesday. Tiro has turned over a new leaf and Mthunzi has his eyes on a bigger prize. Nhloso finds out more isn't necessary merrier. When TD starts transforming before his eyes, the vet blinders start to fall on Thursday. A bold move by Tiro forces Tabs into a tight corner. Nhloso is unhappy to see his wife's visitor. Suspicious, the vet confronts Gediboni about the wrong thing on Friday. Tabs decides deception is the only way around Tiro's outrageous demands. It looks like the Gasa family will be forced to welcome a new family member. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.